What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and please stick around. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. So I've been meaning to film this video for quite a while. And please excuse my look. It's just a chilled Sunday. I was just chilling. I was just having a chilled and relaxed day. So yeah, I just want to show you all these cleaning products that I've been accumulating for a while. It's a bag full of all these cleaning products and some organization bins as well. And we have this from Amazon and a few other things. Okay, first things first, let me just put them all down here and show you everything I have. Then I'll go through them one by one. Okay, now that you've already seen everything, let me go through them real quick one by one. So I'll start off with this one. This was actually recommended by my friend. It's my first time buying this, and I want to believe that all these things are available at Shoppers Supermarket if you're watching this from Dar es Salaam. If you're watching from Canada, you know the drill. Dollarama, Canadian Superstore. No, it's Dollarama and Canadian Tire. Yeah, so this one was actually recommended to me by a friend. It smells so good, that's what she said. I haven't tried it. And also be sure to come back in my next video. I'm gonna be trying all these things. I'm gonna be using them. I'm gonna do a cleaning video, cleaning and a little bit of spring decorating. So you definitely wanna come back here for my next video. Okay, so this one is an all-purpose cleaner. It's all purpose, so wherever you want to use this for cleaning, it will leave your space smelling amazing. So as of late, I've been obsessed with using wipes for cleaning. I mean, they're just so easy. They just make your life so easy. You just open it up, pull out the wipe, and just clean up your space. I actually use it every day to clean the toilet seat, you know. Yeah, this is also cleaning wipes. I actually wanted more of these than the Lysol wipes, but I did not get them. So I thought I should try this. It's still new. I haven't tried it yet. I was actually waiting to film this video before trying anything. Yeah, so I'm gonna be trying this very soon. So another thing is this bad boy right here. I know everybody knows it, everybody uses it, so I'm not gonna go into any details about it. And this spray bottles, I actually was looking for these ones for a while, and I'm so glad I found them. So the beauty of this is you can make your own concoction, you know, you can make your own cleaning concoction and just put them in here. So I'm planning to use one for mixing vinegar and water, and we know vinegar is the mother of all cleaning products. So you definitely want to have that in your home. So I'll mix this with equal parts of vinegar and water. And this other one, I actually still don't know what I'm going to use this for. And this Scrub Daddy is actually kind of a hype thing. I've been seeing people using this, and I kind of like the way it looks, but it's definitely pricey, so I only got one of these. So I'm gonna try use it and see if it's worth it or it's just a hype. And these brushes, of course, for scrubbing my pots and the sink. They're mainly for this for the kitchen. And these microfiber cloths, of course, I needed new ones. The other ones I have are kind of old. Yeah, so I needed some new microfiber cloths. Everybody needs this in their home anyways. This one I'm also gonna be putting it under the sink, kitchen sink compartment. Yeah, I'm just gonna be hanging it, and so I'll put all the cleaning brush, scrub, and the dish soap. And another organization thing, this I'm just gonna put it in my daughter's, in my kids' bathroom. So I'll just use it to organize their little toothbrushes and the toothpaste, you know, in the drawer. I also got these organization stuffs. Okay, these ones I just saw them, I like them, but I still don't know what I'm gonna use them for. Please give me suggestions and ideas. This is how they look. If you have any suggestion ideas on what I could put on these, please comment down below and give me some ideas and tips and suggestions. And finally, this is the package that I'm most excited about. I ordered this from Amazon and I hadn't opened it yet. I was actually waiting for this video. Yes, so these are the essential oils, the Pure Aroma essential oils, and let me just open the package first. Okay, change of position because it was getting so dark over there. So what we have here is sweet orange, tea tree, lemongrass, what is this, lavender, peppermint, and eucalyptus. I'm actually so excited to start using them now. I just feel like I need to clean up this whole place right now. I'm going to be using this in so many different ways. First of all, I use either sweet orange or lemongrass in my sink drainage in this kitchen sink. You can use some of these in your trash can, in ule mfuko wa kwenye dustbin unaweza uka you can put a few drops in there. You can put a few drops in your kitchen tiles. You wipe down the countertops and your home will just be smelling heavenly. I cannot wait to use this. Please be sure to come back in my next video. I'm going to be using these and everything else that I showed you. I think I'm done with this video. Let me just put everything away, and yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye bye. Cause you found it the highway.